do Warhead sour soda actually taste sour, or does it taste sweet? Who knows? Let's see exactly what it tastes like, and let's rate it from 1 to 5. Let's get it. Alright guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different flavors, man. We have to try out, we're gonna have to try out every different flavor, man. This one is black cherry. There you go, this is black cherry, Warhead. Then what we got is blue raspberry soda. That blue raspberry, man, you already know that blue raspberry tastes good every single time. And then what we got is the watermelon. This watermelon one is probably going to be the best one out of all of them, bro. Honestly, it's not a racist thing. Watermelon is literally the best flavor with a lot of stuff. So then we got this lemon soda. So lemon, this one's probably going to be the most sourest one. It's probably going to be making this face on here. So, and then we got the green apple. So the green apple and lemon, my bet is literally that they're gonna be the most sourest ones. Promise you, hands down. So we're gonna just try these ones from this way up, and let's just see which one tastes better, man. I'm excited because I got these off of Amazon, and I just wanted to try them out. I thought it would be a pretty cool video because you guys always want to see something different. I've never seen anyone on YouTube try these, so I'm gonna be the first one. So once you guys see this video trending, you know it's your boy JRI. So let's go ahead and taste this one. 150 calories. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to expect, man. This is round 1. This is the black cherry soda. Let's try it out, y'all. I give this definitely a 5. And I'm not just rating it because of that, but it actually tastes like black cherry, and it really does have that little sour twist to it. Ooh. Damn, this joint. I don't get it. It has total 0 fat, sodium telling like 35 milligrams, so this is damn near like better than any other sodas out there. Like, this one is good. They do got that. Yeah, you can definitely tell this is a Warhead. So this one was a pretty good one, man. I'm gonna put this over here. Round 2 of this soda. This was Warhead. Round 2 of this Warhead soda tasting challenge, man. Let's go ahead and try the the black cherry one. I mean the black raspberry one. This is black raspberry soda. Let's try this one out. Cheers. Woo! This one, ooh, that one got that tinginess right up in there, bro. This face expression really is what this joint is, bro. Ooh. I say this one's a 5 too. This one tastes like the Huggies / like Huggies mixed with Sprite, if you will. You guys know what the Huggies are if you was raised, you know what I mean? Y'all don't gotta explain myself. Y'all know what the Huggies is. But this tastes just like that mixed with, you know, Sprite. So blueberry Fago, if you may. This is what this one tastes like. Moving on to the next one. We're gonna try the watermelon one. Now, I think I should save this one for last, but I want to save the most sour 2 one for last. Let's go ahead and try this watermelon one because I feel like this watermelon one definitely is going to have a good impact. Whew, probably can use this for a chaser, man. I got my Grey Goose over there, absolute watermelon. This probably tastes slamming with some absolute watermelon. And then they got the Casamigos over there. These probably mixed with it. So let's taste this watermelon one. Here we go. Just like I said, bro, literally just like I said, bro, the watermelon one be good. Bro, watermelon flavor is the best artificial flavor. It tastes literally, oh, hands down, 10 out of 10. This is perfect. Woo. Yeah, I could drink this with a chaser. This would be a good chaser. Yeah, if you wanted to try something different, just be a little different for the night. Yeah, this would taste, I'm probably gonna save some of this for my absolute watermelon tonight. Yeah, this 10 out of 10. 5 out of 5. This one. Y'all gonna go cop some Warheads. The watermelon one is the best one, so. Alright, so we want to just jump right into the next one. This is round 4 of the Warhead Soda Tasting Challenge. And I feel like this one is going to probably be the most sourest one. No, actually, the next one. But we're gonna try this green apple one. They really do got some tangy sour taste, bro. That apple taste is something else. Here we go, cheers. Ooh. These ones all hit, bro. 4 out of 4 sour warheads. Y'all doing a good job. This joint tastes phenomenal, bro. This tastes good, man. Hold up. Tastes just like that sour apple Gatorade I had the other day. Sour apple is pretty good flavor. This is good. I give this a 5 too. So if you guys want to go ahead and go on Amazon and order these, link is in the bio. These joints is actually fire. These shit, you guys should go ahead and taste them yourself. Last but not least, the lemon. Let's go ahead and try this one. Now we're gonna smell it. This literally just smells like regular lemon juice. Like this one's about to be sour. Yeah, just like I told you. Yeah. Ah. This has the real twist on it. Like that tastes like twisted tea with like a lot of sourness in it. Like, just like I said, lemon itself is already sour. So the fact that this one, y'all don't want to taste this one. The other ones is cool, but this one don't pass. You don't want to just sit down and sip this. This is actually, ooh, I feel it in my stomach. This one's very acidic. Wow, excuse me. But this one right here, don't go hard. But like I said, the sour apple one, 5. The watermelon one, 10. The raspberry one, 5. The black cherry one, that was good. That was a good one too. So these ones were pretty dope. You guys see me taste all of them. Let me know whatever you guys want to see. I know I can find more cool stuff on Amazon, but these ones came across and I just felt like I needed to do a video for it. I think it was pretty cool. We had good reactions with it. These ones actually weren't as sour, but they have that little thing right there. But this one right here, my guy, yeah, if you really like sour stuff, this is the one you need to get. And I promise you, you can't use this for a mixer because you'll be like, you wouldn't know what to do. Do this, or like, because the liquor, you don't know, this one will confuse you. You don't want this one. This one right here, my boy, Izzy Drinks. You should try this, bro. And then this one right here, this can be a good chaser too. Honestly, any 4 of these, but this one right here, nah. But go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. Go ahead and check another video out. Don't forget to shop Inf Brand. Merch is in the bio. Merch is in the shop on the YouTube channel. Simply infbrand.com. Make friends, inspire others. You guys receive a message. Follow us on Instagram, and most importantly, follow me on Instagram, JHorizonTV, if you haven't known. If you guys are new, go ahead and like all the other videos and watch the other ones because I'm pretty sure you guys like me already. That's why you know, came to the channel and you're watching me. So appreciate that, man. It helps me a lot. It makes me happy. It inspires me to do more videos. And next I'm probably gonna do is astronaut ice cream. I probably am going to do that, or Spanish snacks. But you guys see the new setup. This is how I'm doing all my YouTube videos. Like, subscribe, and comment. JHorizon out. Peace.